Hello YouTubers, I'm the Cool Kid and today is the Cool Kid Toy Show. So, today we have this great creature. I want to thank MGA Entertainment for sending me this great creature to review. So, when you pull his tongue, he does this. That's super funny. And on the back, it shows you what to do. You knew. That's the one we always did. It comes with ice cream too. And this is how you open it. So now let's open it up. So let's open it. So you take this out. Then you see this lock. You open it up. Oh, that fell. And the other one, just slide this open, take a lock off, and open this up. So you have to put this crowbar in there. Yay! Okay, here he is. You need it. So, take this tape off. I realize it's sticky. And, oh, there's ice cream. It's attached to his hand. I figured out when I pulled his tongue, before, or his arms lift up. So, he actually has, well, let me look at the box. So, when you open this ice cream that's in this bag.
Alright, let me look at the instructions.
Wait, is that underwear?
Yeah.
He's wearing underwear. Look guys. He's wearing underwear. Skeleton underwear. Anyway, let me eat my ice cream. His name is Blizz. It says on the box, if you want to see. Okay, on the back, you have to open up something, and I think it's his underwear.
Right here.
Oh, say. You open something up, and you put it... Oh, he's sleeping. Oh, how... You tickle his feet. That's how you tickle his feet. It says it on the bottom. Right on the bottom. Anyway, let's give him his ice cream. He really likes his ice cream. When you push down his tail, his arms come up. So, what else does it do? Wait. Okay. I'm going to tell him something when you push his underwear. I'm hungry. Give me some food.
I'm hungry. Give me some food.
Okay, that's funny. You can record him when you push his belly. He farted. He's one of the greatest toys ever, and he's funny. I think it's...
Dropped him and he said ow.
Get out!
Get out!
Those are, I like 3 parts about him. When you with this dog. He's hungry.